I know you've heard a lot about this because it's been out for 10 years. This is Apple Now, and this is the Blue Yeti. Let's start with the build quality. A very strong metal have been used to build this. Despite being extremely heavy, it's pretty damn stable. And mics have always been to stand out, and this is no exception. I've got here the black finish, as not only it looks cool, it stands out as well. There's no flaw in the design except this mini USB port, which is easily breakable. Blue Yeti has a special place in every content creator's heart for having exceptional audio quality that it can easily compete with more expensive out there. So this is the sound test, as all of voiceover is given with this. To show how good the quality is, I have to switch audio quality to my MacBook's mic. And as you can hear, it's so crappy that nobody would like to watch my video. Actually, nobody would be able to watch my video, neither can I. And as I shift that back to Blue Yeti, my ears feel more comfortable. Sound is crystal clear, bassy and more pleasant. I've been using this mic for quite a while now, and it's pretty good. I would definitely recommend this to everybody who is starting on YouTube or who just want the best bang for the buck mic. So, my job is over. Stay tuned because I have something very special for you coming on this channel. Stay subscribed or just hit if you're not already. This is Apple Now. My name is Harris and I am signing out.